June. Very good. July. Very good. August.
August!
September. Nakalimot. Waling. Waling. October. Ise. Dito anak ko. Anong buwan ngayon?
October.
Pwede kailangan natin siya happy birthday song. Happy birthday song. Kailan birthday mo anak? Malapit na po. Konting araw na lang ang tulog. Okay. Short happy birthday song. Happy birthday
to you.
Yeah! October. Sunod October.
September. November.
November. Waling. And December. Yay! Medyo marami lang din. Okay, so very good. So siguro naman sa mahirap kanina sa kulay eh. Kasi yung iba sinasabi nila light blue, dark brown, whatever, no? Pero siguro sa buwan wala na magkakamali.
Akala ko mag-isa lang ako, ma'am.
Okay, very good comment. Kung minsan akala mo. But what did you use so that you got to be where you are now? Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginamit mo sa katawan mo? Nakinig. So anong tenga? Ay, anong tenga? Anong parte ng katawan?
Tenga.
Very good. So may nagsasalita. Anong buwan mo? January. Anak ko, sino nagsasalita? Ginamit mo yung mata,
At tenga. Bibig.
bibig. Saan ka? Saan ka?
Pa.
Paa. Hanggang sa nakita mo siya, ganon. Kailangan kumapit ka, baka mawala ka. Tama? Right. So here, when we ask you to do activities, be sure all senses are alive and 100%
Magwapo.
active. Okay? That is how you will not have any problems. And you will not have any difficulties. Kasi, nagiging buhay na buhay ang lahat ng senses mo. And you are blessed because you have them all. Right? Very good. Now, we will be in smaller groups. Kasi mahirap mag-storya na napakalaki ng grupo. Alright? The boat is sinking. Magkatabi lahat ng magkamag-anak.
That's it.
Isa-isa sila. Alright. Magkamag-anak. 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 Okay.
Dami mo.
Hanggang saan? Hanggang dito? Yung walang kamag-anak. Oh! Pakibilang, sir. Pakibilang dito. Pakibilang.
2, 4, 6,
Can you count?
8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24.
Asawa, ma'am.